Auto companies are ramping up production to secure orders for exports in Changchun, capital of northeast China's Jilin province.
像我们的特装车间、智能车间都到我们车间呢进行人员补充，保证呢我们这个生产任务呢能够及时完成。线上车型呢主要集中在出口车，还有一些呢是新能源。
In recent years, Jilin has been actively developing auto industry clusters to accelerate the transformation and upgrading of the industry. In a new energy vehicle parts company in Changchun, multiple automatic production lines are producing charging devices for dozens of enterprises around the world.
那么捷易呢进行很多技术攻关，目前为止，那么产品呢也成功出口到这个全球78个国家及地区。
With surging overseas orders, China-Europe freight trains have been sending auto parts from Changchun to many European countries. According to the provincial government's latest plan, the scale of Jilin's auto industry is expected to reach 1 trillion yuan by 2025.